Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with dual bedroom nightstands, underbed storage, 2 entrances, flush mount gas range cover, front rock guard, fire extinguisher, overhead storage, living area television, electric stabilizer jacks, front bedroom, garage area television prep, carbon monoxide detector, overhead cabinets, dual lights over headboard, ramp door patio package with step, walk around queen bed, detachable power cord, kitchen pantry, decorative kitchen backsplash, high-rise faucet, living area sofa, smoke detector, power tongue jack, outside speakers, convection microwave, 3-burner range, entertainment center, bedroom dresser, double door refrigerator, LED interior lighting, 3-season patio doors, bathroom cabinet with mirror, outside shower, LP leak detector, overhead kitchen storage, vanity with sink, stainless steel kitchen appliances, range hood with exhaust fan and light, bathroom toilet, shower skylight, single slide, mini blinds, decorative wood plank flooring, linen cabinet, solar power prep, electric awning with LED lights, bathroom shower, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.